So you're one of those film actors when you would come home and it's behind
It's my
you.
job.
It's
It's a
over.
9 to 5 job.
Yeah.
Yeah, 9 to 5 job.
You
Absolutely.
didn't attend the parties and all that?
Never.
Oh, damn it. So no gossip also?
No.
Sad. Then it's time to talk politics. So how did you get into this whole BJP spokesperson thingy?
It's
and
just
all
like
that?
Modi ji's governance. That's it. Honestly,
But they
I never
reach
thought.
out to you, or you reach? How does one apply? Like if I want to apply for the job, how do you know that there's a job there? Of course, you're very popular, etc. I understand.
So I
that.
knew Haji Arafat Sheikh, who was the president of this Nav Bharat Shiv Vatuk Sangatna, and at that time he was the minister, Minority Commission Minister in Maharashtra. So through him, I got my pravesh in BJP. And I remember this was in 2018, and then after that, in 19, pretty much after that, we were not in the state. Then came
True.
yeah.
The pandemic, you were not in the state.
And then
Yeah.
COVID happened. So pandemic, we were not.
UBT
in state.
was in charge.
Yes, Shiv Sena.
Well, the mix.
Mixed.
Three of them.
Mix was later. No?
In between. Yeah.
So then, yeah. So now I'm only taking care of this.
The women's transport
Yeah.
thingy.
Yeah, thingy.
Okay.
But honestly, I'll
You
tell
get
you.
paid?
No. No, I don't. So
How can I work for government if I'm not getting paid? No? You should get paid.
That's true. Because it's not a post that the government is giving you. It's just it's a sangatna. It's very different.
But what does that mean exactly? So you
So tomorrow if I get a post of an MLA or an MP then I'll have to give up this post.
No, but this post means that you're helping women have a better sort of situation when it comes to transport.
Yes.
Not just from job point of view, but just actually in the transport.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So then if I'm a woman, I can complain to you? How does it work?
No, they also come with different kinds of complaints, but I have to filter and see what kind of complaints to take. They have to be more transport centric and they have to be valid as far as my
Your
scope of work
Yeah.
is concerned.
Yeah. So will you stand for elections, but
Not thought of it, yaar.
have they asked you?
No.
But why not?
I don't
You're
know,
already-
I'm
you're
back
halfway
after
there.
10 years. I want to work now. Really,
But you can
honestly, I
continue
want
working. Lots of Bollywood stars became MPs or MLAs or whatever and continued shooting and hardly went to parliament and all. It's not an impossible
Yeah,
thing.
but I can't do that. Now, see, I got married and I had Rihanna for 10 years. I was like 90% into the family. That was my commitment.
This is which
I can't
period?
do this and this.
This is from
2009 to 2000, now to 22, 23.
Okay.
So I've hardly done any work. I didn't do any movies, Hindi movies. I did more of South. I did 1 or 2 OTT web series. That's all I did.